Hi, this is Marilyn Maxwell, the Technology Training Specialist here at HAR. And this week's Tool of the Week is going to cover the new and improved IDX Solution available to all members through their website builder. The new IDX Solution offers a fresh and unique look that sets it apart from HAR.com. It allows members to customize the aesthetics of the IDX tools that HAR provides them, and it includes additional search criteria on the property search forms and much more. The new and improved solution allows you to customize pages such as the map-based property search, the open house finder, the master plan community finder, and more. You can choose a color theme from a preset palette of colors. You have the ability to choose various display sizes. You can customize the header of these pages by including a graphic, such as a photo of yourself or something personal to you. And you also have the ability now to cut and paste HTML coding directly from the HAR member portal into your other personal website. If you have a website and a URL off of HAR.com, you can use our programming and quick HTML code pasting to upgrade that functionality on that other site. To access the new and improved IDX solution, simply go to www.har.com and log in to the HAR members area using the red icon in the center or the member-only login in the upper right corner. Type in your own public and private ID, and then on the menu down the left, click on the word My to expand that menu, and then simply click Member Website. Once you have entered the Member Website Builder, you can see from the control panel down the side, one of your choices now is IDX Console. And if you click that link, you can see the new IDX Console choices that you have. This is the color palette where you can choose a color theme for your consumer tools available on your website. If I preview my selection for you, you can see here that anytime anyone accesses the Home Finder tool from my personal webpage on HAR.com, it will have this green color theme to it because that's what I chose back at the control panel. Again, if I wanted to choose a different color, you can see it instantly updates that color palette from my choice. So I'll go ahead and stick with the red color that I chose, and I'll save the theme selection. So this allows instantly my webpage to be updated with this new color theme on those particular tools that are affected. And if you notice here, you have the screen width size to choose. This is to optimize it for certain different resolutions. If you choose the 1024 resolution, but a consumer has their monitor set to only expand up to 860 pixels wide, they'll have to scroll left and right to be able to see your choice completely. So just keep that in mind when you're changing the resolution. Then a little further down, you can see where you can customize the headers for these particular pages, the School Finder, the Map Search, and the Home Finder pages. If you click Add Edit Header, you can see that you have the option to upload a custom image. Again, this could be your own personal photo so that each time a consumer looked at that page and printed something from that page, it would have your face right there on the printout along with your contact information. You could also simply choose the text-only format, which it's set to now, and the title is simply School Finder, but I could manually change that if I wanted. Just to preview this so that you understand how it's displaying on my personal web page, this is what that particular tool looks like. Again, because I chose the red theme earlier, it's carrying that color scheme through to this page, and it has the School Finder title as well as my name and contact information already entered when I built my web page originally. But if I wanted to insert a custom graphic, it would appear here to the left. Now if I had my own website off of HAR.com, for instance if I had MarilynMaxwell.com and wanted to build my own personal content behind that URL, separate from HAR.com, but utilizing some of the wonderful free tools HAR has made available to me, I can use this Get Code link. I simply click Get Code, and then I copy what's inside this box. Now if I were to go to my website, web hosting company, log in, and paste this information into the configuration of my other website, it would carry the School Finder functionality over to that website as well. There would be a link a consumer could click that said School Finder, and it would be linked directly back to HAR's database of information. So the consumer could still find exactly what they found on HAR.com, but I'm able to utilize it in two different ways on two different websites. If you scroll down just a bit further here, you can see there are quite a few to choose from in addition to those three. Again, I have all of these codes available just by clicking Get Code, copying, and then pasting back at my website builder. Of course, you can also preview any of these pages if you want to see how the functionality works prior to copying the code and adding it to your page. So just to further explain a little how this console plays into what's being displayed on my member website, let me take you to the preview of my personal web page and show you exactly where these items show up. You can see from here that my home page of my member website is the same, but if I were to choose one of the tools that I enhanced with the IDX solution, such as the View All MLS Listings area, again, it has that red color theme that I chose. All the functionality is the same, it just has a little bit different look and feel to it because I updated it to be red instead of the standard blue. Not every tool is affected by the enhancements you make through the IDX tool, but the majority of the consumer-based tools will be updated. So I encourage you to take advantage of the new features and set up something unique to your web page, as well as offering the standard functionality to consumers that they've grown to love. For more information or help using this or any other HAR tool, just contact me by email at marilyn@har.com or by phone 713-629-1900, extension 288. And don't forget to log on next week to check out the latest HAR.com Tool of the Week.